Occasionally, a GreenGlass user could encounter a question that cannot be answered with a single GreenGlass query. This is because the query builder employs AND logic between all parameters. It's necessary to use the Combine Queries feature to establish OR logic, such that one or another condition must be met for an item to be included in the results. The Combine Queries feature can be found in the Query Builder at the bottom of the left panel. As you can see, there are two ways in which GreenGlass queries can be combined. The first simply rolls two different queries together to include all items that match the requirements of either query. The second intersects two queries such that the results include only those items that match the parameters of both. The Combine option might be used in a library where withdrawal criteria are tailored to specific subject areas. For example, withdrawal criteria in the history classes might focus on locally recorded uses and the extent to which there are other holdings in the state, whereas a pub year threshold might be added for books classed in medicine. Two separate queries are required because they have different parameters. To combine two or more queries, one of them must be open in the Query Builder. Scroll to the bottom of the left panel and click on the Combine radio button. As soon as you do so, all of your other saved queries appear. Checkmark the one or ones you wish to combine. A final parameter is added to your query and displayed here. You may save the combined query here and export the combined list here. Use cases for the intersect feature are somewhat less obvious, but can have value for highly focused analysis. The reason to use this feature is to isolate a range of dates or numbers. GreenGlass includes the between operator for pub year and date added to the collection, but it's necessary to use the intersect query option to isolate ranges of last charge dates, holdings overlap tallies, recorded uses, and aggregate uses. As an example, let's investigate this collection management strategy, where we would deaccession books with a last charge date before 1995. We'd move to off-site storage books with a last charge date between 1995 and 2005. And we'd retain in open stacks books with a last charge date since 2005. Part 1 can be accomplished with this query. And Part 3 can be accomplished with this query. But Part 2 must be accomplished by intersecting these two queries. Within the GreenGlass Query Builder, the mechanics for combining and intersecting queries are the same. One of the queries must be open. Scroll to the bottom of the left panel, choose the Intersect radio button, then checkmark the query or queries you wish to intersect. As always, the matched items can be viewed at the bottom of the right panel and exported by clicking the Export button here. In your list of saved queries, the Combine argument is retained as the last line of the query.